together in the presence of God to bless and to witness this marriage. I would like to start out by congratulating this happy couple. Rudy, you found a good one. And I'd like to congratulate Toby, you found a good man. The passage continues, husbands, love your wives just as Christ loved the church and gave himself up for her. Toby, do you agree to have Rudy as your husband, to live together in the covenant of marriage?
I do.
Do you agree to love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others to be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do.
Now, Rudy, do you agree to have Toby to be your wife?
Yes, I do!
To live together in the covenant of marriage?
Yes, I do.
Do you agree to love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others to be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do. Toby, I vow to love you to the best of my ability, to work with you to solve any problems that we will confront, and to work hard to realize our personal goals, financial and wellness goals. So to summarize, allow me to quote the band called Boys to Men. I'll build your dreams with these two hands, and when we're old and gray, we'll hang our beautiful memories on the wall. I love you very much, kiddo. Thank you.
Hush, I know this song.
I never imagined us being here. Because what do you think about feminists? That was the first question you asked me. And what the F word? That was the voice in my mind. And the first time we met, you asked me, do you want to take a walk? It was midnight and we were in the alley around Old Town Taichung. Dark and dirty around. And when you're behind me, I can feel that your eyes focus on my butt. What do you want? That's another voice in my head. But the one affectionate look you had, like a teddy bear, also same color, is already pulled in my heartstring. 2020 was the tough year of my life. I was not happy with who I was. I'm confused and insecure about future. I got drunk almost every night and sleep until noon every day. Then you show up. You listen to all my fears and my complaints. Watching me be a coward when I face my fears. You're always there, walking through all this with me. So in 2021, you asked me to move to Taipei with you. You say, let's make your dream come true. So I told you that I need some time to think about that, but actually my mind is like, oh, of course, yes. But my mom teach me the lady issue cannot be too easy to say yes. So I told you, give me some time. A lot of friends think that I am just another stupid girl, give up everything just for love. But the truth is they don't know that before we start dating, I always complain about my career. I always told you that I want to learn eyebrow tattoo because I want to look pretty when I work. I told you that how much I want to live in the big city like a Taipei, but I'm so afraid what happened if I fail. As a friend, you listen all and remember all this. As a boyfriend, you are always there supporting me. You told me if you think it's worth it, then go for it. Don't worry, I got you. So it's you give me the chance and courage to go for better life. I never give up anything. It's you give me everything. So it's you trying so hard to make my dream come true. It's you always standing in front of me when I face dangers. It's you that me understand no matter where am I. When I turn around, you always there. So thank you for coming to my life, become my best friend, my safe place, made me the luckiest girl in the world.
So beautifully strange. Of all the things I wanna be, maybe I'm supposed to be so beautifully strange. I'm falling into reverie. Maybe I'm supposed to be so beautifully strange.
So I promise you that I will work out, keep my body in the shape. I promise you I will be there when you need me. I promise to be the good partner to work together with our goals. So I promise you from this day forward, I will cherish you, make you the priority in my life, support you, love you today, tomorrow, forever. I love you, Rudy.